I post a lot on TikTok and still no sales. Does this sound familiar to you? If this is you, then you need to watch today's video because I will be sharing with you how you can get more TikTok Shop affiliate sales organically as a creator. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I'm a TikTok Shop affiliate creator and I create videos on TikTok to promote the affiliate products that is available on TikTok Shop. If you have been following me, you know that I like to test different online business model, and TikTok Shop affiliate program is one of the online business model that fascinates me, and I have been on this platform promoting TikTok Shop products for the past 2 years. I've created hundreds of TikTok Shop affiliate products video on TikTok, and I get sales every single day. One of my most successful TikTok Shop products is this vacuum that I am very proud of because this is the product that has given me more than $20,000 in sales in just a few months, and I just created one video which give me passive income consistently every single month. So I get this comment very often whereby my TikTok followers often commented that they are not getting any sales or they are getting very little sales even though they post video very frequently. Some even post video on a daily basis and yet no sales. So today I will be sharing with you my 7 ways on how to increase the TikTok Shop affiliate sales organically as a TikTok creator. I apply these 7 ways not just on my TikTok Shop affiliate products, I apply them on every of my TikTok videos, and it has helped me in my online business. So if you are here today to learn how to create effective video to help you market your products and services on TikTok, then you have come to the right place, because these 7 ways will help you to create better videos as well as help you to increase the sales of your products and services. The very first thing that I apply to all of my TikTok videos is that I film the content myself. So if I receive a product sample from TikTok Shop, I will use that sample to create a video. So do not use the auto-generated video that is provided by TikTok Shop. I understand that many of the TikTok creators love to use that because it is very easy for you to just click on that and create videos automatically. But the thing is, it will waste your time and effort because you will not get sales. Even if you do get sales, it is not going to be massive sales and you can't make a living out of that few sales. The second thing that I apply to every of my TikTok Shop product video is to use hook to capture attention, especially in the first 3 seconds of my videos. So for example, if I want to promote this water bottle on my TikTok Shop, instead of saying, let's unbox this water bottle, you can think of a more creative way to promote this product by saying, you will drink much more water after having this bottle. Or let's test out this bottle and see how long the ice can last. So there are many ways that you can incorporate hooks in your video. One way is to say it out. The second way is you can put it as text, but it's best that if you say it out and you put the text together in the first 3 seconds of your video. And the third way is to incorporate a sound to capture attention. Here is a good example of incorporating sound. Another way is you can also incorporate hook in a form of visual. So if something that is visually attractive and visually pleasing, this will also act as a hook. So I like to use a combination of 2 to 3 different hooks in one video. The first thing is the verbal hook, the second one will be the text hook, and lastly it will be a visual hook. The third thing that I use on all my TikTok Shop product video is to highlight on the benefits instead of highlighting the features. Let's take this bestseller for example. So this is the vacuum mop cleaner that I get a lot of sales from. And one thing that I want to highlight to you guys is that I always highlight on the benefits of using this product. So how a feature sound like is that this vacuum cleaner takes how long to charge, or the weight of this vacuum. These are the features. Instead, I like to highlight the benefit of using this, and I mention this vacuum cleaner is able to cut my house cleaning time by half. So this is something that all the audience would like to hear and all the mothers out there would love to hear. Just imagine the customers need to spend about 2 hours just to clean and mop the floor. Instead, you are just using half of the time, which is only 1 hour, to do both of the cleaning. If you're unsure of what kind of benefits that you can highlight in your product video, then you can think of the pain or the struggles that the product is able to solve for your customers. Then you'll be able to think of what kind of benefits that you can include in your product videos. The next way that I use in every of my product video is that I make sure I choose viral or high demand products to promote. This is pretty self-explanatory because in order for you to get sales, you need to choose your product wisely. Try to choose products or the shop that sells the products with a high rating as well as good reviews. If you don't already know, TikTok Shop do rate us as creators and give us promotion quality points to determine whether to push your product video or not. One thing good about TikTok Shop platform is that they will choose the video and help you to push the video for you for free. And hence, today's video is all about organic way on how you can increase the sales of your TikTok Shop products, because TikTok Shop literally help you to push the sales for you if you post good quality videos as well as good quality products. So choosing your product wisely is very important. If you are not sure of what products to sell or promote, then you can actually go to the TikTok Shop marketplace and they will have a suggestion for you with all the product ratings they have obtained in order for you to make a more informed decision on which product to choose. The fifth way on how you can increase your TikTok Shop product sales is by going live. So I don't personally go live to promote the TikTok Shop products, but I do go live to promote my other business services. So I know firsthand that going live is very rewarding and you can interact with your audience live, and this will help you build the trust and increase followers much more faster. I am in a community of many popular TikTok Shop creator live streamers, and they do agree that it is very rewarding to go live, and most of the times they get explosive sales just by going live. So as long as you have 1,000 followers and above, you are able to use the TikTok live function and start to promote your product. The sixth thing that has helped me increase the sales of my TikTok Shop products is to include a CTA, which is a call to action on every single TikTok video. This is applicable not just for TikTok Shop products, it is also applicable for every single video that you want to post on TikTok if you want to grow your followers. A simple call to action can be just prompting the viewers to follow you, like follow me for more. As for TikTok Shop affiliate products, the typical call to action can be directing people to go to the yellow bag to purchase or for them to check out products. You just need to write a text to ask them to buy, include in an arrow for them to buy, or you yourself, as you speak, you point your finger around the bottom left corner where the location of the yellow bag is. That's where the audience are able to click to purchase if they're interested after watching your video. To be honest, many viewers are not aware that the TikTok videos are actually shoppable videos, and they are not aware that they are able to purchase by the click of a button. The next thing that I make sure that I apply on every of my TikTok Shop product video is very interesting, because I make sure that my product video is not appearing to be very salesy. That means you're gonna create a video that is not just pure selling. Nobody like to be sold. You may turn off many viewers because you are promoting products and you just want to sell the product. So instead of that, your whole TikTok account should also include some contents which add value instead of just pure selling. Many TikTok followers come forward to ask me for help, and I realized one big mistake that they made is that the whole TikTok account is all about promoting products. The audience will not follow you because they know that your whole TikTok account is purely just selling things and just want the benefit. Instead, you should be focused more on creating more value-driven videos for your viewers. So instead of always mentioning how good a product is, you can always also mention what kind of things that you don't like about a product and tell your audience honestly what you like or what you don't like about the product and how this has helped you in, probably, for example, this water water bottle, how it has helped you increase your daily water intake. So incorporate some creative ways to include some value in your video instead of just purely selling. So that's my 7 ways on how I increased my TikTok shop affiliate product sales organically as a TikTok creator. The reason why I say organically is because I did not pay any TikTok ads to promote my TikTok shop affiliate products. Every sales that come in from my TikTok videos are purely organic, and it is because I have implemented these 7 ways that I've mentioned in today's video. So if you have any questions regarding today's video, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you want to learn more in depth on how you can create more effective TikTok videos to help you do the selling for you, I have more video tutorials over here, so make sure that you check them out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!